出国那个 schlemm 就农山起嘛。
Idai ban skau thu bakam dei ka ba bean yiginong India ban wan rung hakano kano ka jala he India. Kamdan ha ka constitution lane ka riti sensyar jogari India ka boong baunong Calcutta umla ban rung sha Meghalaya. But kamdan ru ha ka constitution baunong Meghalaya umla ban rung sha Calcutta. Idai ban skau thu ba ya kata. Ya kini kentien la keren do sembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tensong. Hadian bola play ya ka facilitation center lade ka jaka ban pe bnia ya ka jingrong jingmi jong ki breu ki banabar hang the hapo umling ribhoi district ka jing pe ngor ki nongrong sha ka jala Meghalaya lingba ko umling kalas dang hagala si ublei ka arphoi trek uno pra arjar arpho hadien bala play ya ka facilitation center ya ka ka center ha umling lawan ban play do ba Preston Tensong ha ka je don rengkat lang jong ki menteri uba Hamlet Doling ba Bantai Dor Lingdo ki MLA ba George Bilingdo ba Jason Saukme Maulong ba Sostenes Sotun hagane ke segi la don langru ki he sarkar bat ki khot ki seng na ka KSU HNYF FKGGP bat ka RBYF ke jing play ya ka facilitation center ho umling menta ka segi ka ya ta khoru bat ka segi ka ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kalaisha ki nong wan jo kai perthei ne ki bei bat ki benta jongari ban wan biang sha ka jilla kane ka center kan trai kam bro arp sau kan ta bat kan pe ikinong wan rung kum kinong wan jong kai perthei hagane ka center ka don ru ka jaka ban pe bnia ikinong muna na ka benta khunyang jingpang covid khat khandai habakren sikilat pathai khubor ba Tensong ulong batang kinong song shnong ki bomdei kinong Meghalaya kinhab ban ai kerteng hagane ka center katba ki badei kinong song shnong bopura jong ka Meghalaya kimdan kam man le kumta ulai thu baga facilitation center kala don ru hakakat ling sun ha umroi bat kan sadan sakawai ka bakum gane ka center hamandi pathar ka badai ka jaka ka badon ka station rail nolor kata loong basakiwai pat ki facilitation center kinieng hawajeng doba North Garo Hills bat harata chera East Janda Hills ubat Tensong la kentu ya baro bala dadon gijing duna hangne hangtai ha ka bai dei bat ka center ha umling kidai ban wanra khmat ka sarkar khang ban la ban pin bit pin biang shu shu
พี่ก็ลองผมนี่กันมาตั้งเขาเองนี่ได้มาสุดทุกหางกินน้องอินเดียละบันองบางกิลงบีอ่านกันวันลูกฮักโนนวิจลาบริอินเดียนี่ได้มันขึ้นเอาไปกันกำดอนนักคอนสติทูชั่นจากอินเดียบันองบางน้องนังเทนนักการอุ่นละบันลูกมาโปะไม่กล้าบันกำดอนลูกกับคอนสติทูชั่นนักอินเดียบันองบางอุ่นน้องไม่กล้าอุ่นละบันลูกมาตลอดนี่ได้มาสุดทุกไปทั้งนี้กับก็begini lah, this model I think it is the first model ever in India in different states. Haka bangingi kwa, mau bangin don ya kanika facilitation center, ka entry point, bakin register, la pide ki tourist, la ne pide ki bahan .com, la ne pide ki professionals, la pide ki students, la pide ki laborers, ki bakwan one place ni kwa ban register. Habis register kamu ban ong begini hanglat bakin wan. Dengan kuat benong yang pi nilai yang kene nak minta ke jingbit jingbiang jongki. Maria kene ki pen inbol. Hakane ka an ke jongi ki pen inbol nadu ka dorbar sno. Hadu ke police station. But hadu ka district task force kamu bahar dari deputy commissioner. But ia boro. La don nila ling lang hakane ka system ka begini. Dia nak kata orang ki kamut benong bagi kuat ban thang ye no no ko wan ten rei habaki wan dakan ne kalenti ngam ye tu ipi le kisa hisnem ne kisa ru banai ne kisa shi asnem ne laisnem ne ki bapule ki sup don ai ban ong ban fuslai naman pi ngatren pi teng teng iseng halang bapli dia le dia check ki kini kita kum kini ki labor license. We just inaugurated the facilitation center or entry point as wanted by the people of the state long time back, and today I should say today is the red letter day where ultimately we are able to inaugurate this entry point, which is known as facilitation center for those friends coming in or entering into our state. So I'm so happy, I'm so thankful to all of my colleague Minister Hamlet and also my colleague MLAs in the Assembly who are able to be here and then to witness the inauguration of the entry point this morning. So I think you must have seen, before we reach here, I think you must have inspected each and every counter. So this one is an humble beginning done by the government. Well, I would like to tell you, we may have shortcomings here and there, but I would request to every concerned, please feel free if you have any kind of suggestion. We are ready to accept it. We will modify it, and not only modification, we would like to improve this entry point or facilitation center to go 70 lakhs around. The total expenditure for this infrastructure. Pardon? Prefab. This is prefab. See, it's like this. Right now, we are still waiting for the approval of the Honourable Governor for the MRSSC. Okay. Once that is done, we will come out in the rules, and then I will tell you exactly how they have to, apply, or how do they have to register themselves. And that's what I said. This is facilitation center. It's already there in the original facilitation. Yeah, right now. But we will improve it further once we get the approval of the government. It depends on them. While applying for registration, it is up to them. Whether they want it 6 months, they want it 1 year. Because see, like students minimum is 2 years or 3 years or 4 years, whatever. So they are free to mention in the registration form, and then accordingly they'll be granted. See, the manpower is, we will have a full strength, because now even infiltration will be shifted here. Infiltration check gate from Birmingham will be shifted here in full strength. And not only that, see, because now that Migrant Labour Act, which was passed by the Assembly, we have already approved even the rules, and I'm telling you that counters will be created over here, where those laborers who wanted to register themselves, who wanted to maybe to get the information about their registration and all, that will be also set up in these places. We will make sure that the process is smooth. That's what I'm telling you. Of course, maybe for few days we will have problem, but as I said to you, let us try. Now it's a small beginning, and I am sure we will have shortcoming here and there, but we will improve it. Let me assure you once again, by setting up entry point or facilitation center, we will try our best that the traffic flow does not at all create inconveniences. We'll make sure bagi bawan hang ni hapo pejela joni ni welcome ni tambah ki daiban penbiang ya ki Islam. Next lagi om pada ya ki banaba jong kari India lada dei ki illegal mo ki illegal ko mo imla banai. Dan ki bawan lemba jong visa ki passport jong ki bian na resort again ya kata ngi issue register ni that's it. No, the arrangement is, we don't have much problem about those people who just come. Maybe he wanted to come down to Secretariat or to any offices of the state government. They don't have any problem. They can come and then go back. As of now, they need to only show their COVID-19 certificate. That certificate has to be there. Not required. It is not required because those people, as I said, it means they just come. Maybe for 1 hour or 2 hours in Shillong, or maybe in Tura, or maybe in July, then they return back to the respective place, means they don't have to do anything. It's so simple. It's already prescribed. I think everything is online, and you can check yourself. Okay? We do have everything, but it's very simple documents. Local people, yes, it's accepted. Local people, so we don't have to. No, see, because you don't confuse yourself. It's like this, as I said to you, only our friends coming from outside the state, I said, in the form of tourists, or in the form of investment as investor, or maybe in the form of laborers. Okay, so these friends who intend to come down to Meghalaya for business purposes or for investment purposes, whatever, I'm telling you, this process is applicable. This process is applicable. But for our own people, citizens of the state, because I think our friends, non-tribal friends, staying all along with us, sometimes they thought that they are subjected to, to this process. But let me just tell you, let me again reassure this, the permanent residents of Meghalaya, they don't have to go through this process. See why government wanted, the intention of why we wanted to set up integrated entry or facilitation center like this. It's because we wanted to make sure our friends coming in from outside the state are totally safe, and not only safe by registering themselves, because nowadays, you know, when we say registration, maybe people thought that, well, I have to go and then I have to spend my whole day in queuing up in the line. But now, as I said, the technology is already in place where the e-device is in place and people can do pre-registration, and those people who cannot, the moment they landed here, again we will make sure that the system is fast and then they don't have to wait for long. So therefore, I would like to request our friends coming from outside the state, please don't hesitate to visit the most beautiful state, I should say, in India, like Meghalaya. And the people of Meghalaya are so welcoming to all of them. And I would like to assure our friends coming from outside the state, feel homely, be here with us through your pre-registration or maybe on the spot registration. We are there to help you out. How many days you want to stay in Meghalaya, you are free, just indicate yourself, and then the destination that you wanted to, maybe to visit different parts of the state, we are there to help you. So that is the intention of the government. Secondly, I would like to inform all of you, the next entry point of facilitation center that we are going to set up very soon. Number one is Bajandoba. Land has been just handed over to the government, and number two is from the Jaitil, Ratasana. And that also, I'm happy to inform all of you that the land has been handed over to tourism department. So hopefully by next year, we will be able to set up similar entry point or facilitation centers in these two places. And the next one is Mendipata railway station. I think within another 2-3 months, we are going to inaugurate Mendipata. And the next one is Umroi Airport. It's already in place. We have, because today, you should know, today, it's a red letter day, both for entry point, and number two is not only entry point, even direct flight from Delhi to Shillong, Shillong to Delhi. Initially, as a small beginning, I just wanted to tell you, twice a week, this flight will fly from and to